Research indicates that high levels of psychological stress can actually double your injury recovery time, regardless of the severity of the tissue damage. When running is your primary stress reliever, an injury isn't just physical. It is a full-blown identity crisis. You suddenly lose your social circle and your daily dopamine source simultaneously, creating a vacuum often filled by anxiety. We used to view pain purely as structural damage. Modern sports science uses the biopsychosocial model. Your brain acts as an amplifier. Stress, fear, and sleep deprivation dial up the pain volume even as your tissues are physically healing. This amplification leads to catastrophizing. You feel a phantom twinge during rehab, and your brain screams permanent damage. This cortisol spike triggers a fight-or-flight response that actually inhibits protein synthesis and tissue repair. The antidote is cognitive reframing. You must stop waiting to be a runner again. You are currently an athlete in rehab season. You must shift the intensity you previously put into intervals directly into your stability work. As you return to running, you face kinesiophobia, the fear of movement. This psychological block causes you to subconsciously stiffen up and guard the injured area, even after the tissue is fully load tolerant. This guarding alters your biomechanics. Ironically, trying to mentally protect the old injury is the fastest way to create a new one. You have to trust the protocol and relax into the movement pattern. To stay sane, switch from outcome goals to process goals. Forget your marathon PR for now. Your success metrics are now rehab compliance, sleep quality, and protein intake. Win these small battles to rebuild confidence. Finally, recognize when toughing it out becomes dangerous. If injury grief disrupts your sleep, appetite, or work for more than 2 weeks, this is outside a running coach's scope. See a sports psychologist. Treat your mind like a muscle. Don't let it atrophy while you rest.